Hello, dear viewers and partners of the S Group. Today we're going to speak about S-Forex in more detail. What is S-Forex? How does it work? What are the conditions and opportunities for investment? What is S-Forex? It's an international investment direction of the S Group ecosystem, which provides the opportunity to earn on the foreign exchange market with the help of algorithmic trading based on artificial intelligence. The technology performs transactions without human involvement, so the influence of the human factor is minimized. The algorithm simultaneously consists of multiple trading strategies based on historical data and statistics, as well as combines experience of the world's best analysts, which allows you to conduct transactions with minimal risk and maximum profitability. S-Forex Public Investments Pool's detailed monthly returns for 2019 to 2021 confirms this. S-Forex trading activity is carried out 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday. Income from personal investments is accrued the next day based on the results of the previous trading day, for example, starting from Tuesday and ending on Saturday. Investment conditions in S-Forex are as rational as possible, both for the company and its investors. The higher the deposit is, the more profit the investor gets. In case of negative trading, the company does not participate in the investor's loss, but it's possible only within the stated risk management algorithms, namely up to 25% of the deposit body. Withdrawal conditions in S-Forex are as loyal as the investment conditions. Profits from trading are available for withdrawal every 30 days. Also, if desired, you can activate reinvestment to get a compound interest. The body of the deposit is fully available for withdrawal after 12 months. But if the investor needs to withdraw funds earlier, the company has also provided for such possibility by following the rules. From the 4th to the 6th month, you can withdraw funds with a 30% fee on the deposit. From the 7th to the 9th month, with a 20% fee. From the 10th to the 12th month, with a 10% fee. S-Forex trading platform is trusted more than any other public pool due to the following factors. Full transparency of activities, open access to account statistics and real-time trading reports, over 78% positive transactions, average monthly return on investment for 24 months is 13.35%, 329.66%, total income from public pool work on a simple interest, which our partners have already earned together with S-Forex. Total income for the entire period of public pool operation as of the 4th of May 2021 amounted 369% and 3,111 with the reinvestment of monthly income, 2,085% return on compound interest investment. Just as well, our partners named compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Easy access to your accounts, fast deposit and withdrawal of the assets, and flexible conditions for profit distribution. Join S-Forex and earn on the foreign exchange market with minimum risk and maximum profit. S Group is your reliable partner in the world of finance.